Hello everyone, welcome to Cynthia Montana channel. Now I'm gonna talk about Automata price prediction, or we call it ATA. So before I started, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm not a financial advisor, I'm just gonna give you some prediction using a technical analysis. We're gonna start here with using a ATA per USDT pair. First of all, using a moving average here. For the moving average, we have a two moving average here. First of all, this yellow one on the moving average 7 is already above it also, the current price on the 1.3862 US dollar. Try to push it, hit it to the $2, and if they go down, they will go in this pink one side here, moving average 25 on the 1.055 US dollar. Have to close this one, a really big volume in this one first, right? For the RSI stochastic, is already over boson. For the Bollinger Band here, trying to push it to the yellow one here, right? It's slightly on the 2 as I said before, but if they cannot big volume on here to break up that point, then it will go down again to the pink one here. If you don't have any position, I mean, you can wait and see first below this point, below the middle band on the 1.1467 US dollar, then you can enter the market on here, right? We're gonna zoom into the 4-hour chart. Basically, for the 4-hour chart, is trying to push it to the yellow one here, upper band on the 1.4712 US dollar here. And if they can break that point, then it will try to go to the other one, slightly on the 1.6 or 1.5. Right? But if they go down and you have opportunity to go to that 1.2 or 1.3, is a really good opportunity. Then you can enter the market like 20 until 30% of the RSI stochastic is already a little bit over boson. Right? For the moving average here, the current price is already above all of the moving average, all of them already, right? So still opportunity, yes, for a long term, still opportunity, because slightly the highest is at 4.5 and now it's only at 1.4. Okay, still a really good opportunity for it. Okay, thank you everyone for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.